Hey guys, it's Colleen. So, I have an unboxing. I'm just now seeing what this is. Bilk Return Center. So, I have an item here that apparently is a return. I guess. Well, let me, let's open this up and see what we got. Alright, it is nicely packed. Okay, it's not bad. So I haven't seen the Brooklyns in person. I thought this was softer. It's not bad. So this was on clearance. It was $206. I will see if I like this. It's smaller than I thought. This is 28. And I'm already been prejudiced against it because it looked like it's from a return center. So, but we got a dust bag here. And I don't see anything wrong with it. The leather does feel good. I don't know. I just thought it was softer. But I'm going to take this part out and see. Now, I like a structure bag. I really do. I just was, I don't know. I was expecting something a little different. I really like this color. I did think the color was a little different. I don't know. I guess I thought the color was a little brighter. So maybe this wasn't a return, but usually, you know, Coach wraps the handle. So, I don't know. Maybe this wasn't. Oh, okay. So once I took that out, this is a lot softer. So I thought it was just going to be a little softer, but this is a lot softer. And I'm liking it better now. This is bigger than it looks. So had I seen this in store, I might have would have passed by. But I like how that like the magnets are really strong because they really want to close, and I like that. So I am liking it. So we got a little I don't know if you call it a bread or a grommet or whatever, but it's the back of that pocket, and the creed is built in. I guess I don't know if I've seen people actually unbox these Brooklyns. I know they're like all the rage right now, but they were always too overpriced to me, so I didn't even entertain it. So I guess you can see that. So we got a little hook here. So I'm wondering, is that what that hook is for? Is it like the, I don't guess I'm missing anything. It's cute. It's neat because I do, I would like sometimes to have a little hook that, I can put little small SLGs on there. And so I won't have, so you can have more room down here since you got all this room up here that you're not using. And you could have like a little, like a tech pouch or something like that hang from here, and you don't have to go digging for it. So that's kind of neat if that is the thinking on that. So we got the little horse and carriage there. And then on this side is suede. I like that. Okay. Yeah. I'm a keeper. I don't know. I guess the return center threw me off. Which, I mean, I guess I should have expected that since it was significantly marked down. So it was $90 off, basically. All right, so I'm going to try to put it on my arm, and it fits comfortably. I don't know. I know what a 26 looks like in like the little cargo tote. I really like it. But I don't know. This looks bigger. But I'm not unhappy with it. And so now I'm rethinking, should I have went ahead and got the 39? Because I was thinking that the 39, it looks ginormous, right? Right now the 39 is on sale at I think it's Bloomingdale. Bloomingdale has it for $2.95. I paid $206 for this, or $205, something like that. $206, I think. Another $90, and I could have gotten something like 40% more purse. But I like it, so it'll stay. But tell me what y'all think. Did y'all pick this up, or you were saving your money for the Peanuts drop, which I did and didn't. So all right, so that is what I had to share today, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.